Welcome all of you. Now we see what is the function of the following words. It is the most important topic for to understand the function of any word. For example, Rohit is reading a new poem. In this sentence, now we see one by one every word's function. Rohit is a subject and also proper noun. Is verb, primary helping verb. Reading is a verb also, but it is an action verb ing form. A is articles. New adjective, but it is the descriptive adjective. Poem, noun, it is a common noun. A new poem is an object. Now we see the another example. A clever student can solve this example. Now we see one by one every word's function. A is article, clever is adjective, descriptive adjective, student is a noun, it is a common noun, can is verb, helping verb, but it is the modal auxiliaries. Solve verb, action verb, or it is a root verb. This adjective, demonstrative adjective. Example, noun, common noun. Next example, you saved bravely a small baby and mother. You is a subject pronoun, saved verb, past tense of verb, bravely adverb, adverb of manner, small adjective, descriptive adjective, baby noun, it is a common noun, and it is a conjunction, mother noun, common noun. Now we see the more examples. Take the screenshot of these all examples and write in your notebook, solve it clearly, easily.